Hello guys, I would like to invite you to watch the advertisement which I made as a photographer and videographer for Marcin, who is the owner of the company Just Rewind, which rewinds engines. This is his job, which he recently made for me. I mean, the engine was broken, it was burned, and right now it's rewind for 60, and also it is flooded by the oil on the end. The oil and the components which are used, I mean copper, is much more efficient, much more resistant for the higher temperatures. So even in hard, tough terrain as mountains, it's rather easy to go up without thinking that the engine will overheat. So what to say? The controller here is ASI BAC 8000 in this bike. So together with this 60 rewired tuned is beast. I can say that right now you have to be really careful about the throttle. The throttle, I mean, it's accelerating so fast that you have to be careful to not fall down, to not overdo the wheelie. It's very easy. And also the controller has flux, which is very good. I don't know exactly how fast is this bike right now. I don't know. I will not check it because I'm a bit worried. Okay, anyway, see the advertisement. Did you like it? If yes, thumbs up, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. By the way, I want to say that despite of the fact that I am using logotype of BearEbike, I am not the employee of the company, I am not the owner of the company. I just love this vehicle. I think that right now this is the best what you can get on the market. Also, my recommendation for tuning the engine, 60 in Just Rewind company. Together this vehicle and this tuned engine is just amazing. Okay, bye bye guys, see you soon.